What is going on, everybody? What is going on? The wire thing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why is my face blurry? There we go. What's good, guys? What is good? Good night. What'll keep happening, bro? Instead of good morning, we say good night. All right, guys. How's everybody's CPI day? Who traded today? Or who at least like, who passed evals today? Using the method that I showed you guys yesterday, the 5-minute swing highs, swing lows. Who passed evals? Let me know. As on the limit. Ow. Bro, I told you guys the CPI move, I wanted to go lower. I literally told you guys this low, the daily low. Did I or did I not tell you guys yesterday that this daily low was gonna get taken when we were still in Asia? I told you guys this daily low was gonna get taken, right? And that CPI would be most likely a bearish print. Exactly what ended up happening. Bearish CPI. Boom. Pretty simple. By the way, a few of you guys, let me just clear something up really quick before we start. I told you guys 5-minute swing highs, and swing lows. Yo, how many of you guys put your buy limits at this 5-minute swing high? How many of you guys did that? Did anybody put their buy limit right here or the buy stop at this 5-minute? So you cannot use this. You cannot use this. You have to go back in time and you have to look for a swing high. And where do we have a swing high? Right here. This is the one that you have to use. You still would have gotten cooked, but this is the one that you have to use. This one, not valid just because it gets swept slightly before. But yeah, I did try to outline this move for you guys. That's after down move. Oh yeah, it is. So you would have never gotten filled on the buy. You would have never gotten filled on the buy stop, and then your sell stop, which would have been 830 is right here. Your sell stop would have been right here. Boom. You would have banked. You get what I'm saying? What we doing tonight? Any possible trades? Yo, chill out, you fiend. Let me show you what's going on here. So, first things first, 4-hour fair value gap right here. Now, important to note, we have the all-time high level right up here. Okay, that's the all-time high level, and it is in fact coming in hot. So I would like to see that bounce. Whoa, get out of here, man. I would like to see that all-time high level bounce, or sorry, this 4-hour bounce into that all-time high level. The only other 4-hour we have is all the way down here. This is right now about, actually that's low-key not that far. From the low we put in here, it's only 54 points. So if you guys remember premium discount from yesterday, if I draw this thing out, right, it technically favors the lower fair value gap, right? But also at the same time, we have a lot of momentum behind, especially these two candles, right? So at some point, this does need to go and take these all-time highs. That's my suspicion. So the only question is, does it do it here or does it do it from the lower gap? Right? Like literally the only question here is that. But those highs are most likely getting taken. Let me see what I got here in terms of any kind of levels. Hold on. All right. Now as far as levels go, okay, so this this 4-hour gap has already been hit, which kind of like ruins it for me. And no fresh PDRAs 5-minute, 15-minute between this previous day low and the current price leg. No hourly fair value gap here either. Unfortunately, the only thing we have is this 4-hour. The level here at this 4-hour is 947. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I do not have anything there, bro. I have nothing there right now. Yeah, this is a pretty weird fucking session, man. We have nothing. Literally no fair value gap, nothing on the 15-minute, nothing on the hourly, nothing on the 5. I'm sure there's probably some, there's got to be something on the 1, right? Okay. All right, we got some on the 1 here. So open gap untested on the 1 here and open gap untested on the 1 here. What I like about both of these gaps is we have engineered sell side right above both of these. You guys see that? These two lows that have not been hit, that did not hit these gaps. Engineered sell side above both of these gaps, actually. So this gap is 991 to 988. 991 to 988. I do have, in fact, a level right at 988. So I'm gonna be placing a level here, 988. It is kind of like fully through the fair value gap, but let's take a look. 73. I do have a 75 level. All right, we'll test these two out and we'll see what ends up happening. Right now, this daily does need to go higher. Okay, this daily absolutely has to go higher. Same reason why I was telling you guys that the daily had to go lower yesterday, because we have no manipulation leg here. So we assume that the move lower is the manipulation leg. You guys get it? Do you guys get it now? when I tell you these things after seeing them in real time, because I explained this to you guys yesterday and you guys should have seen it in action all throughout last night and this morning. You guys should have seen the manipulation leg lower this morning and then price pushing up higher for the remainder of the day. Yes, everybody saw that? Everybody understands? Cool. So, yep, same reason why we are looking for a move higher here now. Only other entry I would be interested in is if this closes, this 4 hours, still has an hour and 10. If this closes, I would be interested in a wick CE trade just because this did push into the 4 hour fair value gap. So this wick right here, we can use as the is one of the rejection blocks. Okay. But in order for that to happen, I think ideal situation would be us kind of like consolidating here instead of taking that high. So these are my two levels where I would like to take my trade. I will not be taking any kinds of shorts here today. No shorts from me, okay? Same reason I didn't want to long yesterday, last night. I'm not shorting here today. Just simply not happening. Okay? Only longs. But yeah, you guys are correct in assuming that this Asia session is some hot buns. Literally nothing, bro. I'm on the 5 minute right now. Look how many gaps there are here. There's no fair value gaps on the 5 minute until 23,700s, which is 300 points. No fair value gaps on the 5. Nothing on the 15 inside of this range. Nothing on the hourly inside of this range. Only one 4 hour inside of this range. Yeah, it's cooked, bro. Short stream tonight. I don't know. We might still end up being here for a while. I don't know. I'll tell you what. It'll be at least another hour and 10 because we have to wait for this 4 hour to close and see if we can maybe we can get a 4 hour CE trade. Let's go gamble then, bro. I don't gamble, bro. Unfortunately, is not something that I do. Gold, yeah. We'll look at gold in a second. How's your military shift? It's all right, man. It's not bad. Kind of retarded, but yeah, it's the price you pay. Okay, let me see here. Nothing here on the 4 hour on gold. We do have hourly gaps below. Let me go here into the 5 minute. Let's see if we can get some levels for some accurate levels here first. Not really bouncing from anywhere here. This hourly gap has been putting in some work, but no new low delivered here. All right, so gold, do you guys see how this hourly gap did not deliver a new low here? This is where it would have delivered a new low. Did not deliver a new low. Failed to deliver a new low. I know camera's off. Give me a second. Okay, anyways. You guys see how no new low gets delivered here. This is more bullish than it is bearish. So we would effectively be looking for some longs here on gold to push through these highs, all these highs we've made here. Be looking for a push through here on gold. 5-minute doesn't really have too much. Not gonna lie to you guys. 5-minute doesn't really have too much. Seems like we're just gonna have to wait for some sort of a continuation entry here on gold. I'm gonna be watching it. Actually, let's primarily watch gold because NQ is probably not gonna do too much. And yes, if you think tomorrow's PA is gonna be bad, you are probably correct in that assumption. NQ PA is most likely going to be pretty bad tomorrow. That's a pretty fair assumption to make. Do you consider daily bias for taking trades? If yes, please can you explain how you determine your bias? I have an entire video on my YouTube channel. I believe it's day 8 of the 30-day miniseries. That goes over bias and how I determine my bias and the draw on liquidity. So if you're confused about that, that's the video you need to watch. I would do that now. It's not a long video. It's like 10 minutes long. Go watch that before we continue here. How to add those 4-hour and daily. This is the indicator right here. Can't use your code for Apex activation. The code is not for activation. No, there's no discount that you get off of the activation. It's only for the eval. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, gold even looks like it wants to push back up to the all-time highs. The all-time highs right here for gold, not too far. Like 50 points on gold. NQ will drop. Watch it, bro. It's already starting to. ES is at least. It's gonna drop first and then it's gonna go up. The 2 levels, I gave you guys my 2 levels for NQ that I have. I'm just gonna show you guys one more time. Oops. 988, 975. This is the general area where I'm looking for longs on NQ. Okay. I have NQ up on my other chart here that you guys cannot see, so I am monitoring NQ. We want lower and then we want higher. Okay, that's what we're looking at here for NQ. But this might take a while. Whereas the gold trade, I believe we should be able to get a gold trade soon-ish. So see, I just need some sort of a pullback here. And these 2 5-minutes right here, these lower 5 minutes look pretty good. 5-minute gap. Did we hit that? No, we didn't. No hit on the 5-minute gap yet. Corn futures, bro. What? Access to Discord Premium is closed on WAP. It's not closed. It is only available via the link in the description. Hold on. Let me log into my accounts here real quick, guys. There we go. Okay, so TPT, by the way, real quick, this account is at 51,870, effectively being $130 away from the buffer that I need to hit. So we are not far at all from that buffer. Should be hitting it either tonight or hopefully tonight, but like any day soon, to be honest with you. 5-minute gap was not hit up there. It does need to get hit open still. I'd be watching 671 here on gold, guys. 671 lines up with this 5-minute fair value gap. 671.6, 671.1, both of these pretty solid levels. I might try me along here at 71.6. Let's see what a 20 tick stop loss would put me at. Yeah, that's like pretty much perfect. Looking for like that high up there. Okay, cool. Yeah. I'll try this out. Try that out. Oh wait, why am I doing this? I cannot execute here. I have to execute this on Tradeovate. Okay, the level is 671.6. 671.6. Whoa, that's 0.7. 0.6. What was the 20 ticks again? Ticks is 669.6. So 66. Oh my god, new high. Hold on. We gotta wait. New high was made. No limit just yet. Let's wait, bro. Let's wait. Yeah. I'm watching NQ. I'm watching NQ as well, but NQ is a little bit away from. It's like a little far away from my limits on NQ. So that's why I'm like watching gold primarily, because I feel like I can get a trade here on gold. What kind of market data subscription do I need? 50K Apex eval. I'm new to futures. You do not need any kind of market data subscription if you purchased an account with a prop firm, with a futures prop. You do not need to purchase any kind of market data subscription. Uh, 50K eval is 51,700 and it expires on Monday. New to trading, so I don't know if I should just force a trade tomorrow because it resets. I don't think they'll reset your eval. What firm are you trading on? Wow, bro, gold is just pushing, man. I need this thing to like come down a little bit. Top step, yeah. They won't just reset your balance to 50K. Holy fuck, gold, chill out. They won't just reset your balance. They're just gonna give you a free credit. They're gonna give you a free credit. You're good. You're good. You don't need to force the trade. You're just gonna get free credit. Gold, chill. Chill out, twin. We're no longer getting that entry anymore. Real-time market data is, I mean, are you trying to place it on Tradeovate or what? I've never once, for any of the firms, purchased live data. All right, gold, maybe here, gold. Can we get a deep enough pullback, gold? Mr. Gold, please. When did I start trading? 26 minutes ago, bro. Yeah, you do need live data on TradingView, yes. So on TradingView, you need like the CME mercantile plan, CME mercantile index, I think it is. You need that to have live data. But for Trade-of-8, I don't think you should have needed it. Maybe you do. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But I've personally never had to purchase live data. What branch are you in? I'm still in. I'm in the army. Day 6 for asking for that Discord. Put me to work. Daily age reviewing could be mod last time. Maybe I'll make you mod, Blasky. You got to keep showing up, bro. I don't think I saw you yesterday. Oh, I was there. Oh, you were? All right. Let me see you like for a few more days and we go from there. I think it's $4 a month cheapest, but I don't know which one I should get. Any one of the ones that says live data. Bro covering P&L when it's negative. Ha ha ha. Are you fucking retarded? Are you a fucking retard? Yo, stupid idiot. Go ahead and take a look here. What does this say? Hold on. I want you to read out to me what this says. Does this say, is there a negative number here? So dumb, bro. When am I gonna be a mod? Nah, Twin. I don't know about you being the mod, bro. Your only goal, wacko, is to rage bait me, bro. How did you and Big Char meet? Big Char used to work for me a while ago. And then he flew out to me. And then his life changed forever. We got no open 5 minutes besides this one. We got a lower 1 minute right here. He owns a marketing agency, right? Yes. Yeah. He used to. He doesn't anymore, but yeah. Need that playlist. I'll put in the name of it. It's on SoundCloud, bro. This is the name of it right here. Do you trade options as well or just futures? I primarily only trade futures now. I used to be a options trader. That's what I transitioned from. Now it is just futures. It's just better. Futures are just simply better. Can you call out when you return to NQ? It'll be when either my levels get hit or get close. I will be returning to NQ. Right now, we're nowhere near either of them. So I'm kind of just waiting for NQ, but I mean, you guys will see when I return to NQ because I'm going to change this chart here to NQ. Everyone starts with options, I feel like. No, not anymore. More people start now with futures, and futures is just definitely more mainstream than options. Back then, most people started, if you started with penny stocks, I know you're an OG. Back then, the way it would work is you started with penny stocks, then you would go into like normal shares, and then you would find out that you don't have enough money for that, and that you're not big bro, and then you switch over to options, and you would trade options for a little bit. And most people who I used to trade options with at the time have now transitioned fully into futures. Now, I feel like most people are just starting with futures and they stick to futures. Yo, by the way, I had an issue with the accounts I bought on TPT and the support was really good, TBH. Nice, bro. I keep hearing that the TPT support is ass. I have not once experienced anything like that with TPT support. But I did have an issue because one of my contracts, it wasn't letting me sign the contract because I had opened it and didn't sign it the first time I opened it. But the support actually was helping me out in under 24 hours. So I personally will never say anything bad about the support. Freaking gold, man. Freaking gold, bro. Wow. The exact move I outlined without me. Unreal behavior. How does take profit traders work? Works like any other firm, except... Yo, bro, what was this dummy talking about? The P&L is showing right here. It's gonna... There we go. The way it works is it works with like any other firm, except they have right now the best payout rules, probably in the entire industry. No consistency rule, no max payout, daily payouts. Pretty sick. Get your payout the same day you request it. Pretty fire. Yeah, gold, bro. Straight through the highs that I was, like, outlining. Insane. When are you going live? Bro, what? Yeah, bro. Bro, come on. Do you stream AM today in the Discord? No, I know. I told you guys yesterday, I will not be streaming AM today and tomorrow. No AM streams from me. I blew an account today. Frank! I blew an account today, but it took a few payouts this month already. Do you have any tips? Or words on how to move forward after blowing up? Bro, listen, once you have like a repeatable system, right? Which obviously, Frank, you do, right? You absolutely have a repeatable, profitable system. Because you've obviously gotten paid out multiple times before and you're doing great. Blowing up is literally just a direct result of you either like you're crashing out in some sort of way, or your psychology just got fucked up. Moving forward, you can't really hold on to that loss, right? You've gotten, you're probably net positive, I would assume, Frank. So in your case, you cannot like get hung up on that loss. Buy a new account and start fresh. And don't get so hung up on the loss. Don't try to, like, you know, make back the balance that you had on that account or whatever the case might be, right? Just do the same thing that you always do and stop fucking crashing out, because that's the only reason you blew the account. Literally the only reason why. I think 99% of you guys all have a... Oh, wait. Um, 99.9% of you guys have some sort of a profitable system, but you guys can't make it work because of your psychology. That's the issue for so many of you guys. Either you blow up and you get hung up on a loss, you can't move past a losing trade, or you're just so scared of like the money aspect of trading that you just don't allow yourself to become profitable, even though you use a profitable system. Apex allows news trading on PA account. You just can't hedge the news. You literally just cannot hedge the news. That's it. What exactly is your strategy? It's based on the PO3. How do you suggest trying to get a better win rate? It depends on the model you use. It depends on the entry model you're using. So for me, there was a point in time where I was putting in limits without using any kind of PD arrays. I started incorporating PD arrays to boost up the win rate a little bit. That helped a lot. Another thing you could do is like add SMT, right? SMT is a great thing to add for, you know, confluence. So I added SMT, win rate went up even higher, so on and so forth. My engineered bias for the night for gold, I'm thinking continuous rip into previous day high at least. I was hoping for an entry, but no entry here on gold for me. And on NQ, my bias here is going to be a move lower and then a move higher on NQ is what I'm anticipating here. But this will absolutely go higher. NQ will absolutely 100% go higher at some given point in time. Hopefully we can get the entry though before it does so. But yeah, down here is where I'm looking for entries, or we wait for this 4 hour to close. Only 40 minutes left now, so there's a chance that we can get something here. How can I join the lifetime membership and I will be getting all your signals? Lifetime membership is the first link in the description, guys. First link in the description is the lifetime for the Discord. NQ will go higher in the near future. Crazy. That's sarcasm or still no response from fraud? No, bro. We're moving past that. Did your stop loss also hit like us last night? I didn't take a trade last night. What do you mean? What you mean? Oh, are you talking about the limit, the sell limit that we had? Yeah, the sell limit did get hit, yes. For a whopping 5 points. The sell limit did in fact get hit. The sell limit ran for a bit though, and it was a top tick. Was it? I don't know. I just woke up to being stopped out. How many counts can you have on TPT? You can have 5. I believe you can have 5. I tried to trade news using 5-minute swing high, swing low method and got wicked so hard this morning. You did it wrong. Go back to the start of the stream. I showed you guys how to do it. You did it the wrong way. Entire week we've been pumping. Isn't Friday usually a sell-off though? Because the last 2 weeks Friday has been a sell-off. That doesn't mean anything. Does not mean anything. Also, I'm not saying that it can't be a sell-off. I'm just saying at some point NQ does have to go higher tonight. I'm not saying it's going to continue moving higher in through the morning, but it just has to go higher at some point here and then lower maybe. Your call on CPI was so solid. Yeah, the CPI move I did outline for you guys. It's pretty predictable, I'm not gonna lie. Very, very predictable move on CPI. Gold we can watch as it comes down into this area. We have a 15-minute gap below, and a current open 15-minute gap here right now. Sell limit yesterday gave me 2 RR, and in the end it was BE. Okay, nice. I just wasn't able to monitor it, unfortunately. If you were able to monitor it, nice. 4:15 a.m. it top tick till 5:45, then new fire. Yeah. Okay, fair. I ran your sell limit without any SL. You are crazy, but I mean, I guess it worked for you. Nice, nice. I'm glad to see at least some people banked on that sell limit. Very nice. Hell yeah. On TradeAway, what GC contract symbol do you use? GCZ5. GCZ5. ESNQ dead right now? Yep. Yeah, very dead. That's why we are hanging out here on gold. Gold might do me right.
Your call has been forwarded.
Answer, idiot. Key, this is a real question. How did you manage to glow up so much? I've seen your old videos and you were clapped before. NGL, bro, fuck you. You're clapped. Are you at the warehouse? No, bro. Do you see a car behind me? Pan-worthy offense. I'm entering off the CE of the CE. Yo, that's funny as hell. I have a 5-story building for sale. Key, good deal. Where's your 5-story building for sale at? Did this high get hit? No, we were just short of this high right here. This high's got to go get hit too. Warehouse next week? Yes. Yes, warehouse next week, guys. Warehouse next week. Bro, how do I find profitable trading friends IRL like your group of traders like Big Char and Powell, LOL? Well, I only became friends with them from the internet. I didn't know them like before the internet existed. The only profitable friends I have IRL are actually two friends that I met in the military. One of them was already a trader before, and we chopped it up. Cool guy, my boy Chaucer. And then the other one, Royce, we taught him how to trade. He didn't know the last thing about trading. We taught him how to trade basically while we were like at drills. And yeah, dude's gotten paid out, I think $4,000 so far. He made $1,000 this morning. Yeah, he's killing it. But those are the only IRL profitable friends that I have. That's it. Quote for gold on TradeAway is GCZ. GCZ5. What year did you enlist? I think 2019. I think 2019. Yeah, 2019, I think. Yep. I don't know. I don't fucking know, man. RP Shinobi, what happened? Did he die? I'm currently in Discord, but I'm not trying to switch mentor. I'm basically profitable right now. Requested a payout of 4K on Alpha Futures. It got denied because of news release time. Yeah, you got to be careful with that, man. I did see, I think on gold, it went down 70 points, then up 70, then went 200 point up. I only got till next July to make trading work, or I have to join the military. Nah, bro, you be straight. Next July, you got so much time, bro. You got nothing but time, gang. Where's the delivery guy tonight? Uber Eats. Delivery guy, he's in the chat, bro. Uber Eats guy's in the chat, I think. Or DoorDash guy, he's in the chat. Any tips for growing beer? Do you use any oils? No, bro. I use nothing. Just let my shit grow. But I guess if you can't, then you probably should use oils. Thoughts on the whole America situation with Charlie? Pretty fucked up, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if some crazy shit's about to go down soon. Some civil war type shit, dude. Would not surprise me at all. I don't know. I just mind my business, bro. I mind my business. You know what I mean? I just lock in and I make money. What are you looking for in the chart? For gold, I would like a better pullback here for gold. Give me a second. Hello.
Yo.
What are you doing?
Eating. Trading.
Are you live?
No.
You're not live? Oh, okay.
It doesn't feel right going live with...
I'm live. What are you talking about?
I thought you were at drill.
Yeah, bro. I get to come home at like I was home at like 3 p.m., bro, or 4 p.m. I was home.
Yo, what the fuck am I doing?
What are you doing with your life? The reason for my call really was to make sure that you can get this GT3 RS wing tomorrow by any chance.
Repeat it?
If you can get the GT3 RS wing tomorrow, you don't have to put it in. We'll put it in when I come, but I was just gonna make sure that you could get it tomorrow, just so it's not like sitting at UPS, because I don't think they'll re-deliver it without. What's in it for you? Having a fucking GT3 RS wing in the warehouse as a shelf? Pretty sick. It's okay. It's ours, bro. You know what I mean?
Anywho, I kind of helped to notice on your stream you got your headlights on. Blinkers.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, my blinkers are on.
Yeah, I took the F80 out for.
Bro, I would actually. I wouldn't give a fuck, to be honest, bro. You know what, bro? Like, I'm the kind of guy, bro. What's mine is yours, bro. All right, bro. I am. I'll let you drive. I'll let you drive the GT3. Matter of fact, I'll let you drive the GT3 before I let you drive the F80.
Well, I already drove you.
Yeah, you guys are capping. I would actually be pissed if you did that. I'm just saying.
No, I actually.
Say put it on your mom's life. You did that.
Oh, no, I don't.
Exactly. Shut your ass up. All right, but.
When are you coming back?
Monday, because I have drill through Saturday, and then Sunday I don't have drill, but obviously it's the show. So I'm gonna see you on Sunday.
You wanna tell you?
Do I want to update my stream on what happened with Subby's account? Oh yeah, guys. Yo, who's here in the stream from a little bit ago when my boy that was sitting next to me in the lives had just bought his 20 Apexes, and we passed them, and who was here? Who remembers that? Somebody in here pointed that out. They keep asking, yo, who's that guy next to you? Yeah, he just made $40,000 today. 40,000. Huh?
It wasn't.
I remember. Yeah, bro. He locked in, bro. Shinobi gave him the limit, the 47 limit that we had yesterday from the lows. He hit it. Bottom ticked the CPI candle. Yep, he made a little over $2,000 on 20 accounts. He's past the
2,500.
2,500 on 20 accounts. He's past the trailing threshold. So over the next week, the goal is to get him paid. So that's like a live thing. You guys literally saw this guy freshly purchase his accounts, and you guys are probably gonna be there when he requests a 40K payout from Apex as well. That's gonna be sick, bro. That should be motivation for all you guys, man.
To buy our.
No, that should be motivation for you guys to all use code key to buy 20 accounts on Apex tonight. What's up, Key? Any NQ limits? Yeah, 88 and 975. Bro, it kind of looks like shit. Shinobi, it looks like shit, doesn't it? NQ, bro, fucking horrible. There's no 1 minute gap. Actually, there's a few 1 minute gaps. There's no 5 minute gap, no 15 minute gap, no hourly gap. Like, yeah, literally nothing happening, bro. I'm on gold right now.
We have to wait for Asia.
We are in
I mean,
Asia,
we're
gang.
gonna have to wait for London. Or at least midnight open.
Yeah, maybe midnight open. Hop in the Discord.
No, no. Trade on his own.
Yeah, he took the trade on his own, bro.
Feds, bro. He's trying to be the feds. He's trying to get it to where, like, he's trying to get us to admit, like, say, like, some bullshit, like, oh, we're trading for it. He can send a tape.
No. No, nobody put the limit in for him. Shinobi didn't even take the trade. It was just him. He was the only one who took that trade. It was sick.
The only one.
Yeah. Walk me through the process. I'll buy 20 accounts. What do you mean walk you through the process? Just go on the thing and just buy 20 accounts using code key. You said that fast as fuck. 988 and yes, 988 and 975. Yo, hop on Discord, Shinboob. What do you think about longs here? Longs here on what? NQ? I'm trying to long lower. Bro, we all know he's signal botting, y'all. He is signal botting. Nobody said he's not. We literally gave him that level and he put the limit there. He is signal botting. Bro, what? He's about to get paid 40K from signal botting. But he is learning as well. Like, we're teaching him as well. Just right now, until he gets his first payout and like build some cushion. As I'm going through, we're both of us are teaching the guy, like, you know, everything that he needs to know.
What's up, Keyflow Trades?
You sound like a commentator there, bro.
I know.
How much has the DoorDash guy made? Yo, DoorDash guy, how much money you made following the streams, bro? Can you tell us? DoorDash guy?
I wonder if that's the real DoorDash guy or a phony.
Nah, it could be the real DoorDash guy.
I'm gonna keep it a buck. Yo, by the way, Key, are the motherfuckers with the warehouse next to us, the one who feeds the cats, stopped me on my way out of the office and started asking about day trading.
Started asking about day trading?
Yeah, he's like, oh, so what do you guys do? I'm like, oh, we trade the NASDAQ, all this sort of stuff, boring stuff. But then he's like, I've actually been wanting to talk to someone who does that because I have an interest in that. My name's Joe, by the way. And then for like 20 minutes, he just kept me stuck on the convo, and I was trying to like leave. I was like, yo, Joe, bro, I gotta go.
That's funny as hell.
That's fine.
That's funny. What's the setup for signals on the Discord? They're all put in the Keyflow channel. You should have a Keyflow channel. No free trial, bro. No more free trial. Can you do one-on-one coaching? No. I'm still finding my way around in your server. So on the left-hand side where all the channels are, if you go over to the left-hand side, you see all these channels. You see where it says Keyflow? This is where you're going to see my alerts. You just got to make sure you have the noties turned on for Discord to see them. And the Cobra's Den right here, this is where all the cool kids talk. All the cool kids talk right here in the Cobra's Den. Since you have a girl, do you think getting a girl makes you a better person and improve in life? With the right girl, yeah, I think so. I do think so. It has to be the right one, though. It can't be like some slag, bro, that's like holding you back. You know what I mean?
Your fair share of those.
No. Anyways, yeah, because the girl's gonna do one of those two things, bro. She's either gonna add to your life in a positive way, or you're gonna start dating her and she's gonna completely drain you of everything. Is there a free Discord?
Yusuf's coming over.
Is he? He texted me earlier.
Dude, he wants me to buy his those ivory buckets, and I told him.
Yeah, do you want them or no?
They're 5,700, bro. I'm not trying.
That is really good for ivory buckets. I'm not gonna lie. For 3,000 mile ivory buckets, you know how much they usually go for, right?
Bro, $5,700, bro.
Do you know?
5K.
I know. Don't buy them right now, but I'm just saying, like, yo, buckets go for like 15 bands, bro. Like 5,700, not a bad deal. Yo, Seth.
That's what I told, bro. That's what I told him. I swear to God, I would have came and dropped them off. But now, it's either he has them sold, because he put them on Facebook, he put them on Marketplace for 7,500. Some guy trying to come from New York right now for 7 bands.
Yeah, bro. I know. I'm telling him, bro, 5,700 is like really good.
He cooked himself. My uncle's not gonna sell them to him. Not for 6,700.
Let me get a discount, bro.
He said you cooked yourself because when you said no, they listed up on Marketplace and somebody's trying to come get them right now for 7 bands. So.
Oh,
lit.
He said, "Oh, lit."
I hope the guy just like ups a gun on you and steals.
Yo, Seth, you called me earlier. What happened, bro? Is everything all right?
Yeah. See if I can come pick up this.
We don't have, bro. We placed the order for it. It's in the US. It's gonna be there. It's gonna be here next week.
I thought they were in stock, like you got them.
No, in stock in the US. So like next week they'll be here.
Like actually 7 days, or like is it like?
It's less than 7 days, bro. It's like 5 days.
You can't hear the call on the stream, by the way.
I know they can't hear the call on the stream. What did you say?
Said, is it TMM Racing 7 days?
I don't fucking know. What the fuck is TMM Racing? Yo, that shit went bankrupt, bro. It's over. We took over.
Jeez, it'd be 7 days.
Yo, ask him if he's
She'll come in 7 months.
Nah. This is not like that. It's like actually in the US, it's less than 7 days. It's 5 days. My diffuser was in stock. I got it in 5 days. We just had another diffuser that we sold, F82 diffuser, came in 7 days.
Wait, Key, the diffuser you have is on the car? Is it the
So,
one because you had to switch it back, or is it?
Yeah, lock in next week. Next week it'll be here. Just pull up to the warehouse next week. You want to do that?
I thought he was pulling up today.
I'm gonna be gone. I'm leaving for like a month and a half.
Right now?
I'm not gonna be.
When are you coming back? You're coming back when? What? Where the hell are you disappearing to, bro? Oh, bro, month-long honeymoon?
Bro, they're about to have kids.
All right, well, we'll have it for you when you come back. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to get it like this weekend. I don't think. I can double check. When are you leaving? When are you leaving? They don't fit your car? Sell them. What do you mean? What do you mean they've never been mounted? How do you know they don't fit your car if they've never been mounted?
I don't know if the person that was trying to put them on for me. I just don't. I rather just. I don't like going cheap shit. Like, I rather just pay someone, get me the right thing. Like, I think this got me.
Mm-hmm.
6. Like just paying the person to get them, and then paying the person to.
Uh-huh.
And they just don't fit.
Yeah, bro, don't worry about that because so if I was you, I would just sell them. But with ours, we'll put them on ourselves at the warehouse. What do you mean?
I said I don't want you to buy them.
They're gonna fit your car. I'm telling you right now, they're gonna fit your car. I'm giving you a guarantee that they'll fit your car.
Going to the mechanic tomorrow. There's a body shop and a dealership. I'm gonna go there with the. not gonna keep wasting my phone.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But when are you leaving for Egypt?
6 days.
I could probably get it before that.
Just see what's up. Let you know.
All right. Also, by the way, I'm live streaming G82 Seth. You are saying that on live stream in front of everybody.
You're live streaming?
Yeah.
How many people on the stream?
I think almost 500.
Hey, yo guys, try to use code. Use code Seth. Use code Seth on Bimmers. Appreciate it.
That's bad funny. All right. Yeah, I'll shoot you a text. I'm 99.9% sure I can get them before 6 days. Just let me know tomorrow what ends up happening with the side skirts you have right now, all right?
Yo, where can I tune in, bro?
It's on YouTube. Keyflow Trades on YouTube.
Should I copy trade you for?
All right, bro. All right.
Keyflow.
Hello, Shinbooby.
What?
Hello. I was saying hello. Are you live?
Hello. No, I'm not going live.
Oh, hello. Did Big Char learn a lot from you and your premium, bro? Big Char like used to sit next to me and trade, bro. He used to sit right here, sat right here and traded. Watched me over my shoulder. Are you just watching gold? Nah, I'm watching NQ as well, bro. Yo, you know what happened to me today, Shinobi?
What?
Bro, I'm on my way back home from drill, right? I'm hauling ass. I'm fucking hauling ass, bro. I'm doing some crazy speed in a 55, right? I get, bro, next thing I know, yo, it's a clear road, like nothing in front of me, nothing behind me. Next thing I know, I just look in my rear view and I see a cop on my ass, lights, sirens on, everything, bro. I thought he was gonna pit maneuver me. And bro, I was like, oh dude, I'm cooked. I'm going to jail. It's over. Bro, I get pulled over. The dude comes out. He's furious, bro. Takes my keys and he's like, yeah, turn the fucking car off. Give me the keys. Bro, I ended up getting a ticket for max speed limit or whatever the fuck. Like 40 miles an hour over the speed limit. Booked. And now I have to go to court for that. So I don't know if I'm gonna be cooked or not. May or may not lose my license, bro. That might be cooked. Hopefully I don't.
Wait. Repeat that entire story.
I'm not repeating it.
So you got a ticket. How fast were you going?
Allegedly, I was going 97 in a 55. You can send your lawyer. You don't have to appear in court. Bro, I did use my military card. He said the only reason I'm not going to jail is because of the military card, bro.
Wait, how fast were you going?
97 in a 55, allegedly.
97 and 55 is not even bad.
I know, it's not even that bad, bro. It's only like double the speed limit. But yeah, he
I thought you were going like one. Dude, I was going 150 yesterday. It was kind of crazy. Or 143. I just rounded up.
Okay, if I was going 150, I wouldn't have stopped. But like I was going 97 on like a 2-lane road. So, yeah, not good, bro. I'm gonna have to go to court. I got a lawyer and everything, but I'm gonna have to go to court soon.
Oh my god, did you summon Newton?
Nah, this is not Newton. This is not Newton's like expertise.
Pay grade?
Yeah, way below his pay grade. I had to deal with the same shit. Lawyers get everything done for you. Next time, get unit in. Bro, I am gonna get. Yo, Shinobi, give me your fuck. Give me.
I'm not giving it to you. I just paid 800 for it.
For what?
I got a new unit in radar.
Oh, which one? Wait, the one that's in your car right now?
Yeah, it's like the red line.
Hold on. What's the good one? Uniden R8? Uniden R8.
Yeah, that's the one I have.
No, this is not the one you got. Oh, is it? No, it's not. It's not. No,
I got a new one. I literally got a new one because my old one broke.
Yeah, now I'm getting this. At first, I was like, yo.
Wait. I think I have the Escort red line radar detector experiment. Dude, this shit finds people from like 2 miles away. It's actually
Escort red line?
yeah, it's $799.95.
Bro, it's the same price as the Uniden. I'd rather just get the Uniden at that point.
The Uniden is not better than the Escort because this one checks for laser too. And this one, dude, I'm telling
So does this
you,
one. This has a laser detector as well.
Yeah, but when I drive, when it says KA, bro, I literally will mute the KA, and I forget that there was a fucking KA by the time I actually see the police officer because it finds him from so far away.
Damn.
Like I'm telling you, get the one I have.
If you calibrate it right, how do you calibrate? Is there like tutorials on how to calibrate it and shit?
Sony will do it for you.
Okay, bet. Do you offer payment installments? Yeah, you can finance $380 if you would like, yes.
Yo, setting them up for failure.
Just get Waze. Bro, but Waze works, but it also doesn't work. Like, cause Waze is based off of the people, like, alerting that there's a cop.
I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I just be bullshitting on Waze and I just spam cops and like.
Yeah, there's pieces of shit like Shinobi that exist. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's why Waze is like not that effective. I need a radar detector now.
Bro, the Uniden is fucking trash.
I just gotta go in front of this judge and like, bro, I hope to God that he's not like a hard ass and like he doesn't ticket me or anything. Cause bro, this is the only, bro, my record is like fine for the most part. Like I'm chilling.
Your record's not fine. You've been to jail.
Dude, what are you talking about? I've never been to jail, bro. What are you saying?
I'm kidding. Tell Shinobi I told you. Yo, Blixie, shut the fuck up, bro.
Is this your first ticket? Nah, it's not my first ticket, but it's my first speeding ticket. Yeah, it's my first speeding ticket in fucking how long driving fast cars. Like,
dude,
first speeding ticket.
No, he got a speeding ticket in my car.
Oh yeah, in your yeah. But that wasn't that bad. There was no points or anything, bro. This joint is 40 miles an hour over the fucking speed limit, or like the 31 miles plus, whatever, like the max one.
Bro, wait, why did the guy just not let you off, bro?
Bro, that's what I'm saying. Dude, I'm telling you, if I did not show him the military card, I would have had to call you today to bail me out. I swear to God, he was gonna arrest me. He's being a hard ass, bro. I'm telling you, he literally, bro, as soon as he pulled me, you know how sometimes when they pull you over, they sit in their car for a second and then they come out, slowly approach you. Bro, he pulled me over. As soon as I stopped, he literally gets out of his car, runs over to mine, bro. Like sprints over. He's screaming at me, bro. And he's like, bro, give me your fucking keys right now. Like, not on my fucking roads, boy. He said boy to me just like that, bro.
Bro, on his roads, bro, I pay his fucking salary. Tell him to shut the fuck up.
Bro, yeah.
I hate cops. Dude, he just had a fucking power trip, bro. He probably got jealous. He's fucking sitting on a fucking Explorer all day, jerking his cock, bro. And then got mad when he saw fucking someone driving a GT, bro. That ass.
Wait, he said, I'm from Jersey and had multiple speeding tickets where they should have taken my license. Just go to court and say you're sorry. Did you get a lawyer? Like, did you get a lawyer or did you just show up to court and be like, oh, sorry? You just took it like a little good boy. Bro, what was I supposed to do, bro? What do you want me to do?
No, dude, like, that ass, bro, like, he was probably just having a fucking bad day and then just saw you and then probably felt bad about it. He probably had, like, he was probably late on rent and then sees a nice car. He's like, oh, fuck this guy. He's driving the GT3. Let me make his day worse.
Use Off the Record. It's an app. So I did buy it. I sent it on Off the Record, actually. Fun fact. I did use it. So, yo, actually, so what's the deal with that, right? If you use Off the Record before, do I have to go to court or does the lawyer go to court for me? If I use Off the Record.
Yo, guys, what do I do? Like, never mind. I was gonna say some funny shit.
They send a lawyer, you do nothing? Okay, all right, cool.
Bro, that guy was honestly just probably having a bad day and then took it out on you.
Bro, yeah. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So it's a low.
97 to 55 is not that bad.
Okay, that's really bad. That's double. First of all, I'll be honest with you.
That bad, bro.
I've
seen worse.
No, yeah, I've seen worse too. I've done worse.
Rem's wife did 90 and a 25.
Oh yeah, she's tweaking out, bro. She was tweaking out. Yo, I'm not gonna lie though, bro. Nobody goes to court. I'm an IT at the law firm. What do you mean nobody goes to court? Like me? I don't go to court. The lawyers go to court. Is that what you're saying?
Yo, remember the IT guy from Suits? That was the IT guy for. That's him.
Oh, www. I used your code for TPT today. Hell yeah, bro. Thank you. You will be. Please use my code for TPT so I can pay these tickets, please. Thank you, guys. They settle through paperwork. Really? Okay.
Can you check Discord? Honestly, bro, not worth. Not worth. Honestly, bro, I'm not. Can I keep it $155?
Hmm.
Low key, Alpha and Apex better, in my opinion. They had that. That's what I'm saying.
Nah, TPT is goated, bro. Really good firm. Isn't your premium 549 not 300 something? No, bro, it's 380, gang. 380. I had a similar situation where I went 79 and 45. The cop wrote me for 67. I sent to my lawyer, got a core, got it down. Yeah, so look, I'm not expecting him to get the entire thing just thrown away. But bro, I just want him to get it reduced so I don't like lose my license. I'll pay the ticket. Just don't, you know what I mean? What car were you in? The GT3, bro. I was in the GT3. This is such a loud car. Also, as a local cop, you know what I'm saying? Local cop, they don't have radar. So, like, how the hell is he gonna, how's he gonna say I went 97? What did he, like, pace me? Because that could be, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, there's a lot of things. Do not go to court. That's all I'm gonna say. Send your lawyer. All right, I won't. I mean, I already did the off the record thing, so the guy should be going for me. Already got him. He's gonna say he paced you. Yeah. What radar did he say get? The unit in R8 or the what was their other radar?
Escort red line.
Escort red line. What else did people say here? Your insurance might go up a bit. That's the only annoying part. Yeah, maybe. You know what's crazy? There's some people out there that make more in their codes than payouts. Yeah, bro. Yeah, they do. I can name a few right now. You guys know them. One time I was 2 hours late to the court date, so I went in and sat in the wrong court. What? When everyone left, they asked me, "Who are you?" I said, "I've been waiting." What? Just act mad apologetic in court and they'll drop it some BS. Bro, some of you guys are saying act apologetic in court, and then some of you guys are saying don't go to court. Which one is it? Which one is it?
You just gotta do what you gotta do, for real.
I gotta go to court on the 17th. I'm on 124 and 124 and 55, bro. You're cooked. You're cooked. It's over for you. No, you're actually cooked. What is off the radar? It's an app, bro. It's an app. You don't go to court so they can issue a warrant. No, bro. I got a fucking lawyer. Somebody. So see, this guy goes definitely go to court, and then this guy says that do not go to court. Let the lawyer go and talk. Like, bro, come on, gang. You guys are just leading me astray right now, bro. These guys don't know how off the record works. Okay, all right. I'm gonna trust you. It's Crispy because you used it before, right? Yo, did it work for you, Crispy, or no? Does your state not have the driving deferment? TX, you get like 2 or 3 per year. You pay something like $50. It doesn't go on record. No, I don't think we have that here. I have multiple reckless driving tickets and a Hellcat. Trust me, use O. What's O? I use OTR and don't. Okay, bet. I went 93 into 65 and got the whole case dismissed. Okay, bet. All right, I should be straight. It's not a big deal. Trust me. Okay, bet. All right, bet. I won't trust you, bro. Or I will trust you. Easier with lawyer. Yeah. All right, yeah. Hopefully I don't. Hopefully it's chill, bro. Like, hopefully it's calm vibes. Huh. Got pulled over with my uncle driving once, and it was the same shit. The guy ran to the car, was so pissed, yelling crazy, man, just get out and towed the car instantly. Yeah, I'm really lucky this guy didn't tow my car, bro, because he was like, he made it seem like I was gonna get arrested. I was fully expecting to call somebody and be like, yo, you're gonna have to bail me out, gang. And fucking, we gotta go get my car after, too. Just ask ChatGPT, it has the answer for everything. Bro, you'd be surprised how wrong ChatGPT is sometimes. I don't even want to ask ChatGPT because ChatGPT probably going to tell me I'm cooked. So, if it's your first, then you'll most likely get reduced to IE. What's IE? And yes, it is my first. If you use an attorney, you don't have to go to court. Yeah, I got an attorney. So, basically what I'm following is I do not have to go to court anymore. And the attorney's going to do everything for me. Tell the judge you get a free premium to Discord. Bro, I'll just go give the judge a bottom tick, bro. Like, how are you going to say no to that, gang? Do you have the paid version of GPT? Yeah, I do have the paid version of GPT. You can use the first offender so they wipe it off the record. I mean, I'm not a first okay, I got a speeding ticket before. It wasn't this bad, and it was in a different state, so I don't know if it like translates over. People are gonna tell you you're spending life with no parole. Yeah, bro, that's what Google is gonna tell me. Oh God. Go on the run. Yo, you guys are funny, bro. You're in the military and this is your first offense. You're fine for real. Well, no, that's what I'm saying. It's not my first offense. I mean, it's my first offense, like of this caliber. Yeah. The other, I got one other speeding ticket before, one other one in a different state, and it was like not that bad. But yeah, low key, being in the military should help me, bro. But my lawyer's gonna go and be like, yo, clients in the military, like, please let them off. How long ago? It was a while ago, bro. It must have been like 3-4 months ago, if not a little bit longer. How much HP is the F80? The F80 stock right now, bro. It just looks good. That's it. F80 is my daily, so. Do you still have your F90? No, I got rid of the F90. Have you killed someone? Bro. Bruv. Long NQ as of now. I think I will pass on that. How many times does it take for Apex to approve a payout? It takes a few days. It's not that long. I sent a screenshot of what WAP list here. Where did you send the screenshot, bro? Where? Yo, who is this? Why did bro just sent me a random video of an F80 on a dyno with a fucking pop tune? Who is that? Which one of you guys is that? That pop tune gotta go, gang. In questions? Bruv. I don't think you're buying my Discord, bro. Do not buy that. I don't think that's mine. Are you sure that's mine? Use the link in the description. Use the link in the description. If there's a 549, like, I don't know. Use the link in the description. The first link in the description of this exact channel. Use that first. Not the one in my bio or whatever. Like, just go down. Use the one in the description. It's $380. A BMW fan that doesn't like a pop tune? No, bro. Pop tunes suck, dude. Disgusting. You got a lawyer, you're fine. It's speeding, not a DUI. The lawyer will talk all the charges down. No points. Lower or no fine. You're fine. Okay, bet. Yo, Andretti, bro. You know what, Andretti? I'm going to give you a free funded account for calming me down, bro. Free funded account for you, Andretti. I'm going to open up a ticket in the Discord. Where did Shin Boo Boo go? I don't know. He's probably eating, bro. Yo, I calmed you down first. All right, I'll give you one too. Open a ticket. Open a ticket. I'll get you one too. I'm calm. Bro, I was the second advisor on the team. Bro, all right, you were the all right, you get one too. I'll give you one too. All right, there you go. I'll give you one as well. I'm new here. I don't know the Discord. Do exclamation mark Discord and join the free Discord. Open a ticket in the free Discord. Exclamation mark Discord chat in the chat. That's the command. Still showing the same thing from clicking the link. Bruv, are you serio? What are you in like a different country or can I get one because you're the GOAT? Unfortunately, bro, like I just don't have that many to give out at the current moment. Hold on, let me go to this. Bro, what are you talking about, bro? It's look, it's literally $380. What are you talking about? How? What I'm not understanding. Just join the free Discord. The link just got put in the chat. Join the free one and then upgrade through there. 380 plus WAP taxes, bro. WAP taxes are not $200. I told about OTR. You did. It's crispy. You did. You did. You did tell me about OTR. Yeah, you could get one too, bro. Open a ticket in the Discord. That's 4 people. 4. I think that's 3. Is that 3 or 4? That's 3, right? Andretti gets one. QT Lazy gets one. The Eagle and okay, so that's 4. That's 4. And then wait, who's the last one? It's crispy. All right, you guys, you 4 open up a fucking ticket. What advice can you give to a trader that wants to do a CFD transition to futures? Why have you not already done that? Also ask the cop when he last calibrated his radar. No, because he didn't even have a radar, bro. He didn't have a radar. It was a local cop. No radar. How can I join directly, not through WAP? You have to join through the WAP. Like, even the free one, you have to join through the WAP because it doesn't give you roles unless you go through WAP. Just open the ticket. Nice, nice, nice. You guys open tickets? I have 4 tickets here. No camera cut. Okay, all right. Andretti, there you go. There's Andretti. It's Crispy's right there. Maz, the Eagle. Yo, the Eagle, are you Maz on Discord? Let me confirm, bro. Let me confirm. Got my first payout today and a free account. Fire day today. Hell yeah, bro. Fire day for you, Maz. Okay, all right, cool. I've got everybody here. I will send you guys your accounts. All right, there's one account. There's another account. There's another account. Why is this? Who the fuck is Bio H1G? Who are you, man? Why'd you open up a ticket? What is you doing with your life? I'm closing this. Stop trying to scam me. The eagle. All right, you guys who just got your codes, use them right now so I can make sure that they work and everything's good. Just go, it's any size account on Apex Trader Funding, any size account. Try it right now. Let me know if it works. If it works, cool. If not, then, yeah. Damn, I got a free account. I've never traded before. I just came here because you guys talk about cars a lot. Oh, shit, dude, that's funny. Yo, now, yo, maybe, Andretti, this will be like the start of your arc. Like, you know what I mean? Can you full board a live account with Apex? More like 1K or more. What do you mean a live account with Apex? Like you go live? It worked? All right, QT, you're good. So QT, I'm going to close your ticket. Waiting for the other two to check. Only 1K or more within the first 8 days. How's the 30% apply? The 30% is a consistency rule, bro. That was me who opened it. I was trying to open it. Oh, sorry, Sin City. My fault. Yeah, just reopen it. My fault, gang. Oops. Oopsie daisy. How many different banners do you have? I have 2, bro. I got one for Apex, one for TVT. Why are you banner watching me? Are there any prop firms that doesn't make you do evaluations in straight live? There's a few, but it's not really worth it, bro. It's expensive, and the evals are like, the evals are chilling. You know, Sin City, just open up a new one, bro. I didn't know. All right, open up a new one. My fault. My fault. Can you analyze gold? Bro, it's just pumping, bro. I've been bullish on gold. It's just pumping. There's no trade on gold though. Literally no trade. It's just pushing higher and higher and higher. There's nothing to take here on gold. It won't even pull back. NQ, however, is going down into the levels where I would like for it to go to. So that's a good thing to see. Makes more sense to join premium than buying straight to funded. Yeah, honestly, it does. Literally. 999.5. Trust me, bro. 100% win rate level. Bro, what are you talking about? 999.5. It's like basically hit. So let's see if it works. Close my 45 MNQ, 21.5 points. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Going long, yeah, waiting to go long, but I'm trying to long, yeah, for sure. Why, yo, why do you keep saying the same thing? Who let you on my country? Like, you're not even, you spammed that like 50 times now, bro. Down 15K this week? How, bro? How the hell are you down that much this week? I sent a screen recording. I know, I saw that. Send another one. Look at the ticket, what I said. Gold, bro, just straight ripping. Straight ripping. Might long around 958. Is that where the 4-hour gap is? Bro, at 958, like at that point, you might as well let it run to this lower 4-hour gap. That's my theory there. Like if it's gonna bounce somewhere in this area, it has to bounce from one of my 2 levels. Otherwise, it's just gonna it's gonna go down here and then bounce there. Lol Key, you probably don't remember me. I was in your court about a year ago. Byroids. I do remember you. I remember Byroids. Bro, I remember everybody that's ever been in my premium Discord. Just swept yesterday's high. Yep, gold did just sweep previous day high. I want to bet and got a TS eval from you. Nice, bro. I'd be giving out evals like way too much, bro. I gotta low-key, I gotta dial it back, right, guys? Or should I just give out more evals? More? You guys are funny, bro. You don't remember me, I bet. What was your name in there? Oh, QT Blazy giving out the funded. He said, QT Blazy said, type a number between 1 to 20. Whoever guesses it right gets this free eval I just won. You have 1 attempt. Ooh. Ooh. Is the premium Discord another server or just separate channels? Separate channels. God damn, bro. Is that where the 4-hour gap is? Bro, at 958, like at that point, you might as well let it run to this lower 4-hour gap. That's my theory there. Like if it's gonna bounce somewhere in this area, it has to bounce from one of my 2 levels. Otherwise, it's just gonna it's gonna go down here and then bounce there. Lol Key, you probably don't remember me. I was in your court. All right, who won? Yo, QT Blazy, speak up. Who won? We have a winner? Okay, who's the winner, bro? What's this, like, suspenseful fucking announcement? NVM, brah, he typed it twice. Okay, who's the winner? ACHU won, but he typed twice. Ooh. So who's the winner? You just really structured that like shit, huh? I got him still, I don't care. Okay, there you go. He has a winner. QT Blazy has a winner. Can we do chart champs? Bro, we're like kind of close to the limit here, so give it a second. Give me like let's wait like 10 minutes. Wait like 10 minutes. Do cahoots. Man, Preet still has to make one, bro. I think he said he was gonna have it ready. Did he say he's gonna have it ready today? I think he said tomorrow. But there's no Asia tomorrow though. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, I don't know. Guess we'll see. I guess we will see. Are you setting a limit? Potentially, yeah. 988 is the 1 minute gap. It's like low key, it's like the bottom of the 1 minute gap. I'll probably set a limit in 988, to be very honest with you guys. I don't love it. I don't love anything here. But 988 is the only level that looks half decent. I'm going to use a 5-point stop here, so 983 stop loss. And then the next level is 974 inside of that fair value gap. So we'll watch it if this one does not work. Nice dump there on NQ, though. Nice dump there. So let's watch this 988 first. Why is it 2? Why is it 2? What the fuck, bro? There we go. All right, there we go. 1 mini, 988, 5-point stop loss. Let's see what we got here. Yoki, UK in the house. Just woke up. Yo, what's good, Sesame? Can you explain why that's a significant level? It's really the only PD array in this leg. It's the only PD array in this leg. Aside from the lower one, right, where I have the other level, this is the only PD array in this entire leg. 1 minute. Look, we have nothing here on the 1 minute. We have one here. Nothing here on the 5. Nothing here on the 15. Nothing here on the hourly. Nothing here on the 4 hour. Nothing. Literally nothing. So I'm willing to try this out, and we'll see how it goes. But I do like kind of like this, and I guess we'll see. Jumped in early again, got ripped 20 ticks. No, don't do that, bro. Don't, Scott, don't jump in early because the limits we're setting are like, you guys got to understand the limits that we're setting are like super precise. So either the market goes there or it doesn't. And if the market goes there and it doesn't immediately get some sort of a bounce, it's probably going to hit the stop. Like that's the nature of these limits. So no need to enter early. I trade standard dev with PD arrays and some other stuff. Do you recommend using the 30-minute time frame? I've never used a 30-minute time frame in my entire career trading ICT. Would you rate the setup? I would rate this a B. B setup. Only reason I would rate it, only reason I'm taking it in the first place, because it's a B setup. Normally, I would avoid B setups. The only reason I'm taking it in the first place is because I know that this daily is at some point going to go back up and take this daily wick out, right? Like, that's incredibly obvious. So that's why I'm still willing to kind of risk it here with this. With this trade, I would be targeting the previous day high. Bare minimum, I would be targeting the previous day high. Okay. Final TP would be obviously the previous month high, which is all-time highs. We're not far. As of right now, we're about 60 points away from it. Okay, we're not far at all. So yeah, this is worth the risk for me. These two limits down here. Only reason is because of this daily candle. This daily has to manipulate to the upside at some point. Literally the only reason I'm taking these. If this daily PO3 did not perfectly like line up and it wasn't this good, I would not take this at all. Because this is a 1 minute gap with no stacked PD array, nothing. Literally nothing. Just a 1 minute gap. That's all there is here. So we'll see. It works now, Key. There you go, bro. There you go. Redeemed. Nice. Everybody redeemed their fundeds. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay, I'll be closing your guys' tickets out. Congrats on winning the fundeds. Just so you guys know, we do this pretty often. I do give out fundeds on almost a daily basis at this point. Okay, so make sure you guys tune into the streams for chances to win free funded accounts. Okay, make sure you guys tune into the streams. Hey, Scott Taylor, Scott, did you check the Discord? Make sure that the channel is there for you, the one that says Keyflow trade, the Keyflow channel, and as well as the Cobra's Den channel. I'm looking at a 911. I'm looking at 911, a level for tomorrow. What you think? 911? Like pretty low. I don't know why you even have that. Any chance we take data low? It's possible. It's possible. But I do think that it has to get up here first. I think it has to get up here first. Can you pin Keyflow channel Discord? What do you mean, can you pin Keyflow channel Discord? What are you talking about? Where will your TP be at? My TP will be previous day high. Previous day high. This is the indicator for the 4-hour and daily right there. It is okay. Nice, Scott. So you have the premium. You're all good. You're all good, man. Scott, there is a channel that says actually, yeah, that's like kind of outdated. I'm gonna have to redo that. Never mind. I'd look for an IFVG now. 3-minute look good. My limit has not gotten hit, and I also don't trade IFVGs. What's your SL? My SL is 5 points, guys. 988 entry, 983 stop loss. Quick stop. Five-minute RB. No, this trade's not off the 5-minute RB. It's just a 1-minute fair value gap, bro. Literally just a 1-minute gap. There's nothing here as far as higher time frame or like even intermediate time frame. There's nothing here. Literally nothing. No PD array. Nothing reliable that you could take. So the 1 minute is kind of the only thing. And again, the only reason why I am taking is because this daily does have to push back up. 100 likes only. Yo, no shot we're at 100 likes, bro. Yo, everybody like up the stream right now, bro. Everybody like up the stream right now. If you guys are in here, like the stream up, bro. Bro's giving out free fundeds and only has 100 likes. Yeah, bro. Come on, dude. You guys better fucking like the stream up, bro. Or I'm just gonna feel like you guys don't fuck with me and I'm never gonna go live again. It's 9-5. I very like all your explanations. Help me a lot. Thanks. Are you coming to India? Why would I be coming to India? Is this ICT concepts or not? Heike wanted to learn a strategy in Asia since I work 9 to 5. It is somewhat, yes. TP 24033. No, 24046 or whatever this previous day high is. I've liked about 100. I've liked about 100 myself. Okay, nice. Is your limit buy inside the 1 minute FVG? It's like, yeah, somewhat. It's like kind of right underneath it. Should I even try night session? The Asia session, bro. You guys, if you guys are frequent viewers of the Asia session or the London session where we trade here, bro, it's pretty solid, dude. It's really good. Asia and London are the only sessions that you can take high or low of day. Simple. They're the only sessions where you can do that unless you have 8:30 a.m. news. It's the only way you could do that. So yeah, I like Asia a lot. In my trade of my limits that I set aren't showing by lines or price mark. Can I change that to a line? Yes, you can in the trade of settings. Have you seen that dude TapX trades? Yeah, bro, good friend. He is in the TIT Discord, actually. You get Bulanox. How do you say that? Bulanox? Is that how you say it? It sounds like a fucking medicine, bro. Bulanox. Yeah, I got prescribed Bulanox. About to leave NQ for gold. Yeah, except gold didn't give an entry, bro. Gold I was gonna take, and it didn't give an entry and ran straight to the TP without me. What's your take on these fake outs these past 2 days for the data high and low strat? I don't know. I don't really use the data high and low strat. But if anything, this should show you that no strategy is 100%. Happens. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's the game. How can we join the TID Discord? You can't. It's invite only. Are you going to stay on for this trade tonight? Yeah. I'm bro, it's not far. It's like right there. I'm still here. Why do you say that price has to go back to the daily high? I explained it yesterday in yesterday's live. To be quite honest with you, I do not feel like explaining it. I did a whole in-depth explanation yesterday on the PO3 and the way it works in yesterday's live stream. You can watch yesterday's live stream. I go through the entire thing. But this daily wick right here, this daily is the reason why I say price has to go back up. Obviously, like, I'm not saying like 100% it has to, but we trade in terms of probabilities, right? Like what's in my favor and what's not. And looking at this daily candle, shorts are not in my favor. I would rather take the longs up into the previous day highs. Also, you guys got to take into account just these relative equal highs that we have here. These aren't just going to sit here. These are going to get hit at some point. They're going to get hit at some point. So that's why I do fuck with that. Premium Discord is amazing. Has a lot of signals and cool stuff. Highly recommended. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, Yazan. I appreciate it. And you haven't even seen all of it yet, Yazan. Have you seen the WAP, the entire course? Two courses on WAP. You haven't even seen that yet. Was that funded or eval? What do you mean? Is that was that funded or eval? Problem with Asia is that it's ever so slow, man. It's like watching paint dry. Yeah, it is. But we also get to like, that's why we get to chat so much. And that's why I get to answer literally everybody's questions in here. I get to talk to all of you guys. Every single person that's in here that has asked me questions. It's not like I ignore you. I answer your question. You guys all get your questions answered. Now, if this was New York where price was like, you know, moving a lot, it'd be more difficult for me to like, you know, try to answer all your guys' questions. You know, because I'm also trying to focus on trading. This is kind of like a good break from super fast, insane price action where I can, you know, interact more with you guys. You know, like, bro, obviously anybody that trades Asia knows that price is slow, right? Like I know price is going to be slow before I hop on stream, but I still come here and stream because it's something I enjoy doing for you guys. I enjoy interacting with you guys. I enjoy helping you guys out in any way that I can. So that's why I still hop on regardless of whether, you know, it's slow or not, because I would sit here anyways. You get what I'm saying? Like I would sit here even if I wasn't streaming and I would trade. I'd probably just be like doom scrolling. I'd rather just help you guys out. Where would you recommend to see price NQ or MNQ? I see FVG on NQ. I don't see on MNQ. I don't watch MNQ, so I'm not entirely sure. How long does he take to get the pro after the mail they send you about their checking on take profit? Once you pass an eval to get the pro, I believe it's the following day. So if you pass right now, tomorrow, you will get a email to activate the pro. What's your thought process on long NQ? I'm asking because I'm bearish on ES. So ES I'm actually even more bullish on. And ES because there's quite literally, on NQ at least we have something up top, right? ES has 0 wick. This is called, this right here on the daily. When you have this wick right here, no wick at all, and immediate push lower, this is called the devil's mark, right? Price will come back at some point and put in a wick here, right? We assume that this move away from the open is the manipulation leg. So we look for PD arrays where we can anticipate price to manipulate into, and we take the trade off of that. So that's my entire reasoning here on the bullish bias. Now these two entries are mid entries at best, B grade entries, right? Because there's no stacked PD array here at all, nothing, right? Like this is literally just, there's 1 minute fair value gaps here, and that's it. That's all there is. So for that reason, these two limits, I don't love them, but I do think that price comes back up at some point and takes this wick. And the entire in-depth explanation for that, if you want an in-depth explanation, that is all in yesterday's stream. In yesterday's stream, I do a whole entire in-depth explanation. Become one of my favorite traders these past couple weeks. Thank you, Justin. I appreciate you, man. I got an email that I passed. Okay, so then you can activate it. You're good. Congrats. What's been your win rate this month? I'm not too sure. I gotta upload everything into TradeZella and see. I'm not entirely sure. I think it's probably hovering somewhere around 40-50%. I won the free eval. What's a static account in Apex? Do not get the 100K static if that's what you're considering getting. Do not get that. The most ass account. I'm assuming the Devil's Mark is the only thing making it a B grade. Yeah, if it wasn't Devil's Mark, it would be like a C, and I wouldn't take it. Only reason I'm taking it is because of the Devil's Mark. I full ported CPI and passed 9 Apex evals, but I don't have the money to pay for activation for all of them. Should I get a job? Oh, Rev. It might be time. It might be time, bro. You might need to head over to Indeed.com. Been taking in your analysis the last couple of weeks. Appreciate it. Going to join Premium soon to learn more. I look forward to seeing you there, man. I know I didn't say the word. I just said ju. I said ju. Go back. I did not finish it. You must have seen my name here, so no hate. But don't you get tired? You speak nonstop. so much and continuously answering almost all questions from chat. I just hope it doesn't drain you. Nah, bro, it's fine. If it got to the point where it's draining me, I would just not answer them, bro. I literally, I would rather sit here and talk to you guys than not talk at all. Unless there's somebody in here, like that other guy, that dude that was like actually legitimately bothered by me talking. Like, fuck off. Like just leave the stream at that point, you know? I'm gonna talk all the entire time that I'm here. I thought it was a free funded account, but it's an eval. It isn't, bro. What do you mean? It's a free eval. I can't give you a free fund. What? I mean, just follow, just follow the trades. It'll probably turn into a free funded pretty soon. It won't be long. What PO3 indicator do you have for that daily candle? Right here. Right there. Sorry, I'm new. Nah, you're good. You're good. Bro, just a few trades. It's chilling. You're good. It'll turn into a free funded. Yoki, thoughts on 888 daily OB, 1 hour RB, and 15-minute OB. 888, huh? That's we got a long ways to go. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. I would like for it to bounce here. We're too close to the highs. Are you gonna let this mini run? Yeah. Tips on getting past the intraday once funded on TPT. So there's a few ways. Number one, you could trade lightly and get above it. Me personally, I just trade a little bit heavier, or you guys know how I trade. This TPT account, which is almost $200 away from that buffer, or actually it's like $130 away from that buffer. So at 52K, I'll be past the buffer, right? This TPT account, I traded in front of you guys. I bought this in front of you guys, and I traded in front of you guys. I took like three wins on this, and I'm over already, right? So you either take high RR trades that allow you to win like $1,000 with minimal drawdown, or just through the trade, there's not much drawdown. That's number one. Number two, you take a trade where you can, trail your stop loss aggressively, and that runs all the way through. Or number three, which is honestly not a bad option, is you size heavy. So instead of sizing 1 mini, 2 minis, 3 minis, you size heavy, like 4 or 5 minis. And one trade within a few points should get you above the freaking, what's it called? The intraday. There isn't consistency rule on eval. Nope. Apex, if you use code key, so if you don't use my code, I'm pretty sure it's 7-day pass. If you use code key or discount code, you will absolutely be, you'll get 1-day pass. No consistency or anything like that. Small account challenge in the future. In the future, yeah. Right now, I just have too many prop accounts that I'm like working on to even try trading the live. My live has been like kind of on the back burner a little bit because I've been trading these prop accounts in front of you guys. Can you explain the reasoning for where you place your buy limit? 1 minute fair value gap. By far the best streamer for explaining the why when it comes to your entries. Whoa, stop hacking me. And the thought process behind it. Everyone's learning from you for free. Appreciate you from New Zealand. New Zealand, bro. Thank you, Fighting Futures. I appreciate it, man. Do you have any JOB posting? I guess you could be like a chat moderator, but it's free, bro. Unfortunately, you do not get paid, gang. How do you get the 4-hour and daily? Right here, bruv. This indicator. Gets me up heart, bruv. Chill. Chill, twin. Sending love from East Guam. Guam, bro. I think you're probably the second person in my life I've ever met from Guam, bro. W. this thing gonna run without us? Maybe. I have 16 Apex accounts that I could activate, but I'm hesitant to because their reputation with denying legit payouts. Bro, try it and use and follow the rules. Go read through the rules, follow the rules. You'll be fine. Bro, before I even got affiliated with Apex, I got a payout from them. That is why I got affiliated with them in the first place. Bro, listen, I am not a sellout to the point where I would shill something that I don't actively use. If I ever got denied a payout from Apex, ever, I would not be an affiliate for them. Same thing with TPT, same thing with Alpha. Those are the 3 firms I'm affiliated with. I've never once been affiliated with a firm that went under or any kind of bullshit like that. You know what I'm saying? I promote shit that I actively use. I have 20 accounts that I actively use on Apex, which are almost at payout. So when I get my payout after following their rules, you guys know it's not just some bullshit. Like, follow the rules, you will get paid. If you really still have a problem with Apex, don't use it. There's multiple other firms. You get what I'm saying? Use TPT, use Alpha, use one of the other ones. Literally, somebody in my Discord, Sakuna in my Discord, has gotten paid, I think, over almost $250,000 from Apex. And he's not an affiliate from, you know, at all. Not an affiliate at all. So that affiliate argument is pretty invalid. I was able to follow the rules and got approved 6K, but the reputation. Okay, wait. So you just got approved for $6,000 is what you're saying, but you're still scared that they won't pay you out. What sense does that make? You have 0 bad experiences with it. Don't listen to what other people have to say. My theory is until I personally have a bad experience, I have 0 reason to bash them at all. 0. According to you, at which point should someone start copy trading across multiple funded accounts? I think everybody should be doing it, bro. If you guys use funded accounts, that's like the #1 thing you should be doing. Using just one is kind of pointless. It makes much more sense to use multiple if the firm allows it. We got Edge Gang. It's all right, bro. It's all right. Chill. Don't worry. Don't worry, my heart. Key question: how do you keep from FOMO jumping in early? I did it earlier at the 5-minute gap, and then this jump that left without hitting me in this 4-hour gap at 988. Listen, I've been here long enough to where I've done that before, where I have a plan and I want to long at a certain level. Let's say I want to long here, and that's my plan that I have for this trade, right? And I'll enter the trade early, and I will end up regretting it more often than not. There's a few times where that ends up working out, but are you following your plan? No. So you making money, right, or winning a trade by breaking your rules is not a good thing, right? Don't get that confused. You following your plan and losing money is better than you not following your plan and making money. You guys get what I'm saying? Because as a human being, you're like, when you see green, you immediately think, oh, this is good. So if you are somebody that's not following your plan and not following your rules, okay, and you take a trade and let's say you win the trade, subconsciously you're telling your mind that this is okay for me to do, okay? And how often does that ever work? You not following your plan and entering early, and then the trade goes in your favor, okay? How often does that happen? Rarely ever happens. Just look at the statistics, okay? So you have to know that your plan, you have to just trust your plan, bro. If you have a limit at a certain level and you have a good reasoning for that level, leave it there. You get what I'm saying? There's too many people that take shitty trades and they win the shitty trades and they think they're fucking the best and they think they're great. You know what I'm saying? because you took a green trade. Obviously, you're going to be on your little high horse. And over the course of time, the market is going to show you that you are actually ass. Simple, bro. Like, it's very simple. That's just how it is. Literally the way it works. You simply can't tell me that you just entering early off of like fucking absolutely nothing besides just you thinking, oh, maybe this edges me. You entering early off of that is a profitable system. When has that ever worked over a long-term period? Ever. Never, right? So if you have a plan, follow your plan. If it edges you, cool. Who cares? It doesn't matter, bro. You guys gotta understand, bro, there's endless opportunities in the market. There's endless opportunities in the market. Me missing this trade right here doesn't change my week. Me missing this trade right here doesn't change my month. It doesn't change my quarter. It doesn't change my year. I miss out on one trade. Cool. I move on to the next. Very simple. You gotta be as robotic as humanly possible when it comes to this. Okay? That's it, bro. Winning shitty trades doesn't feel good, TBH, and you know your trades are shitty and you just get, yeah, exactly. If I clip these motivational and discipline that you preach, and can I get free premium? Yo, I already offered this before, but if you guys start up a clipping page and it gets good views, I will give you free premium and free fundeds on top, little cherry on top. You pay way more taxes on prop firm profits too, LOL, than alive. When trading news like CPI today to pass evals isn't necessary to put a TP based on eval challenge requirements. You should put a TP. You don't absolutely have to, but you should. The main thing that you have to do is set a stop loss. You have to set a stop loss. Number one. You can't just trade with no stop. Best prop firm in your advice? There's a bunch, bro. It depends on the kind of trader you are and what you're looking for. Say less, I'm gonna make you go viral. Yeah, if you start a clipping account, DM it to me on Instagram. My Instagram is Keyflow Trades. DM it to me there. Tossa versus TPT, both pretty good firms. Only downside with TPT is obviously longer eval pass. 5 days to pass the eval as opposed to 2 days on Top Step. 3 days extra, you pass it the same exact way. However, TPT has much better payout rules, and it's easier to get paid out on TPT. If you get edged on level, do you remove the limit? At a certain point, I will remove the limit. Right now, I'm going to keep this here. How did you get time off your military time? My military thing was only until the afternoon. So I've been home since like 4 p.m. ChatGPT said, ChatGPT said only 10% of traders using firm like Apex get payout and 90% don't get nothing. That's probably pretty accurate. Yeah. I would say the stats are probably even less than that. Is it hard to get into that 10% or 5%? It's not that difficult. No, it's not that hard. Easier than people make it seem. You're in the military? Yes. How do you feel about FTMO? I haven't used FTMO in a long time. Bro, my drill sergeant told me I was worthless. Any advice? Yeah, your drill sergeant probably right. Back testing 6 months of data, reviewing each trading day to see what works best for me, like my RR, whether limits. Does that help? Yes, bro, absolutely helps. 100% it helps. Oh, so you're friend with Powell. I am friends with Powell. Why is your bias long? Could you please tell? The daily wick right here. This is gonna go higher and take out the daily wick. Hard champs. Hold on, bro. I'm watching this trade, gang. Chill. I'm watching the trade right now. We're like edged somewhat here. So let's see what it wants to do. Could see, I mean, these are like all just relative equal lows right here. These look kind of similar to the relative equal highs that we have up here. So this doesn't look that good. Also paired with the fact that we're bouncing from nowhere, like thin air. So, I mean, actually not thin air, I guess. We do have a 4-hour fair value gap here. So we'll see. Only time will tell what this wants to do. But, I mean, if anything, we could get a continuation entry. I am bullish, and I remain bullish until previous day and previous month high. That does not change. So we will see. It's not really, like, ideal here. I'll tell you guys that right now. It's not A+ here at all. So don't tweak out about missing a trade or whatever. If you guys are really, like, super antsy or whatever the fuck, there's a 15-minute inversion gap right here that you could participate in. That's kind of the only thing. 15-minute inversion gap right here. This is literally the only thing here. You would have a stop loss at the low, giving you a, what, 11 points? Wait. 9-point stop loss at the low. Targeting previous day high would give you a 5R. Targeting the previous month high would give you a 7.5R. So, yeah, if you want to try that 15-minute inversion, not bad to try. I don't think I'll be participating in this. I'm about to take this. Yeah, Subby, I mean, it edged right now so far, but not bad. Yo, Subby, are you at the warehouse? Did you get the pictures of the C-backs? I just need pics of it. Yeah, yeah, Subby, take a video and some pictures too, bro. Is AC working in the warehouse now? I don't know, bro. Yo, Subby, is the AC working or not? This fucking guy, Shinobi, bro, hasn't fixed a goddamn thing. Let me fucking ask him right now, this dumbass idiot. AC is still cooked. Shinobi said guy comes this week. Bro, today's Thursday. What do you mean guy comes this week? Like, what? Yo, this guy's so dumb, bro. I swear to God, this guy's such an idiot.
Please leave your message.
This guy's so retarded. Hey, buddy.
What?
Any reason why you haven't gotten the AC fixed and it's the end of the week?
I texted Bob today. He said he's gonna get it done tomorrow.
Tell him it has to be done tomorrow or this is like bullshit, bro. Yo, you gotta like, bro, yo, you gotta put your fucking foot down at some point. Like, because this is bullshit. So you have no option but to be like, hey, it needs to be done tomorrow. Like, absolutely has to be done tomorrow, or we're finding somebody ourselves and they are taking care of the bill. Simple. That's it.
Dude, how about you text him?
Bro, listen. Listen.
Me and
All right, I just had to yell at Shinobi. Anyways. Anyways. Be honest, has your drill sergeant ever made... Bro, no. Yeah, we'll see how this works here. If anything, I might try a trade here inside of this little leg, off a 1 minute pullback into like this 5 minute right here, or even this 15 minute, which is actually still open. This 5 minute would be like the only one. We'll see what this does here. 30 seconds on the closure. Let's see. Dune, Salman, and Powell. Yeah, we do. How can you tell when it's a no trade day? Usually Friday is like kind of no trade day. Have you done any work yet to your GT3 or F80? The GT3 is basically full straight piped. It has complete soul performance, like full system, and then a Sharkworks exhaust as well. So it's basically a straight pipe. The F80 has a bunch of work done as well. Yeah. Is Powell ever gonna move down to the US? He needs to, bro. I keep telling him to, but I don't know if he will. He has his family in Norway, so I understand. I'm a fan of 997.5, guys. Fan of this level right here. For inside of the range, not a bad level here, 997.5. Inside of this 5 minute also lines up with the 1 minute here, and actually does not line up with the 15 minute. The 15 minute is still open, so let's see. If 15 minute closes, I would prefer a level a little bit higher. Most likely would prefer like 24K, 24,999. So let's see, does in 3 minutes if it leaves the gap open or not. Would you ever run a dig with a built R35 GTR? No. I have 2 rear-wheel drive cars, bro. 2-3 indicator right here. Wi-Fi barely working right now, bro. Shinobi is such a fucking idiot, dude. He's cooked like everything. Would you ever run a dig with an X-Drive big turbo? Bro, Spiffy, shut your ass up, bro. I would cook you, Spiffy. Did you yell at Shinobi just because of an AC you're gonna ruin a friendship? I didn't ruin it, bro. You don't understand mine and Shinobi's dynamic, bro, unfortunately. He needed to be yelled at, though. It had to happen. Being a dumbass. I can't even enter Trade of 8. GG's, bro. GG's. Yo, Subby, low-key, just, like, take the videos and put the seatbacks on and just go home, like, at this point. Do you fuck with Audis like R7? The only Audi I like 2 that I would buy. R6 Avant and a R8. Only 2 I would buy. I can appreciate a nice RS3 or, like, a TTRS. I just wouldn't buy them, personally. I got it. You got it? Yo, send it to me, gang. Wait, did you put it on already, Subby? It's RS3 World. It is not RS3 World, bro. RS5. I do not like the RS5s, bro. Putting BTA to all GX when I had mine. Bro, Subby, I think it's just because you didn't race like a fast GX. You were just racing like OTS 93 GXs, gang. Need a 15-point dump to finish the exam. Do you like motorcycles? Would you ever get one? I had several motorcycles in my life. I had a bunch of R6s. I had a CBR. I had a Panigale V2. I had a Gixxer 1000. Then one day I crashed and I was like, okay, I'm never hopping on again. Zayd ducked me. Did he really? Because Zayd had the fastest one at the time. His car was running. I think it was running like fives, high fives. Interesting. I have my sport bike on Marketplace. People really starting to make me rage. I don't even want to sell it anymore. Yeah, that's low key like how Marketplace is, though. You know what I mean? 15-minute BPR here, guysies. 15-minute BPR here. I do like 24,000. 24,000 even. 24K even. Right there. Not bad. Not bad. 24K even, not bad. I might give myself 2 shots, try that with a 5-point stop loss. And then the lower limit would be like right there. These will most likely be the only 2 I take today. 24K. Boom. And then we will have a 5-point stop loss at 95. So boom. Yeah, that's it. And then I have the other limits directly underneath. That's it. Only 2 trades I'm trying today. Not really interested in much else here. He followed me, and then I started dragging, and he unfollowed when my car went down. By the time I was ready, he unfollowed and stopped following. GG's. Do you quit trading just because you lose trade once? No, same thing with bikes. Dude, shut up, man. I would have died, bro, if I, like, stayed riding, because I would ride. I only rode, like, crotch rockets, bro. So, yeah. Yeah, I got an R6. Do you really? Like R6 Avant? You like it or no? How do you feel about it? They're nice cars. Have you seen the new GT3 concept? I have not. Not. The concepts are usually like really misleading though, because the concepts never end up like the real one, bro. Ever. The concept looks sick. Did you guys see, bro? You know when I got like the most misled for a concept? The Supra. You guys saw the Supra concept and then the real thing, bro. Oh my god. Look at this thing. Yo, this was the concept for the Supra, right? It looks sick. It looks fucking sick in this. Okay? And then this is the real one. Like, bro, I mean, I guess it's similar in some ways, but dude, the body lines are so different and it just doesn't look as good. Like, it looks like shit. So, yeah, fuck looking at concepts. You like the Lexus LC500? Yeah, they're nice cars. They look good. TP on buy limits is going to be previous day high, guys. Previous day high. Previous day high. I passed my first eval. Which car should I get? I already booked a test drive with BMW. If I was you, if you pass your first eval and you're looking for a first car, I'd probably go more on like the supercar side because you just passed the eval. This is big news. So you should probably look at more like McLarens, Porsches, etc. Um, you know, electric BMW. Come on, bruv. It's a crazy car. Mine pushes 700 HP, bro. That's fire. Yo, pull up. Let me drive it. Almost to the limit. 1.5 points. 1 point now. I want to learn SMC concepts such as FVG. From where can I learn it? I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube. A lot of YouTube channels. Yo, Bud, just got profitable on paper. Which car should I cop? Yeah, Bud. Yo, buddy, you should probably go for like a loft. I enjoy your nonchalant, but how you got a girl being nonchalant? Bro, I'm hella chalant with my girl. That's the difference. If you ever get your license taken away, I'll be in your... I'll live in your warehouse and I'll be your chauffeur and a mod and a chef. Yo, actually could take you up on that. I'm not gonna lie. Actually could take you up on that. If I get it. Yo, let's not think that way though. Let's not like get my license suspended. I enjoy driving. How come your 1D candle so long? What? It's just a daily candle, bro. What do you mean? When you go break even when you're in a trade, how do you trail your stop losses as you're in profit? I go break even after like 15, 20 points or a bearish PDRA being invalidated. And then I will just trail stop loss as long as I'm able to manage the trade. Why won't you be chalant with us? Bro, I can never show that side of me ever, bro. When did you start trading? I started trading 2.5 hours ago. Can we talk about how I caught a banger trade? Bro, we already talked about you, Subby. We already talked about you. Guys, by the way, Subby, he's in the chat, green name. He is the one that was sitting next to me the entire time and bought the 20 accounts in front of you guys, passed all 20 accounts in front of you guys, and made 40K today. That's Mr. Subby over here. Word W Glaze. No way I'm muted. You're not muted. What are you talking about? You see your message right here? See it on the screen. OCOD. Do you only take trades like this limits usually? Yes. Yes. Did you start with live before funded? I used to be an options trader, bro, so I didn't really use... There was no fundeds or anything. 30-day M5 CS challenge. Bro, facts. This is a fact. Yo, Subby, if it's the last fucking thing I do, bro, I'm gonna make sure you get that fucking F90, bro. We are gonna get our F90, Subby. We getting an F90, bro. CS. Our bucket seats are gonna be so tough in the F90. What do you think about Sakuna? It's my boy, bro. You have to grow those accounts to over 6K to get a payout. He knows, bro. Actually, he doesn't. He does not. They're 50K accounts, so he can take a payout after 53K. But we're gonna run his accounts to probably like 55 and then take 2K on all of them. Our car gonna be so trim, bro. It's gonna be so gas, bro. Like I need that shit on Saturdays and Sundays though, gang. You could take it for the weekdays, all right? What's the limit? Sorry, just jumped on. 2 limits right here. 24K with a 5-point stop, and then 988 with a 5-point stop. I do not do options anymore, no. Why are you still in the army? Just curious. Because I signed a contract, so I kind of have to be, you know? Don't really have an option there. And just leave. Only reason I don't do options anymore, because options are, I made way more money trading options, but I also was getting absolutely fucked on taxes because options is short-term gains. And options was just very stressful, bro. Futures is so easy and stress-free. I chill. I literally chill. I haven't stressed out in weeks, man. Actually, months probably. I haven't stressed. I don't know the last time I got stressed out. Would not be spending on 150K on an M5CS if trading was my only income. Yeah. No, Subby is a multi-million. This guy did $3 million on Amazon FBA this year, bro. Don't worry. Amazon FBA this year so far, this guy, 3 mil, bro. $3 million, bro. He is goated. What's the difference between BPR and IFVG? BPR is when the IFVG lines up with a fresh gap here as well. Why are you getting into trading if you're doing FBA? Bro, what do you mean? Like, would you not want more money? You want more money or less money, gang? Options too complicated with the Greeks. I feel like options and fundamental analysis, and futures or TA. Yeah, futures definitely more TA for sure. Because it's just price. Why two limits? Because the upper one here, this is a good limit here as well. I actually like this one better than the lower one, to be very honest. The long bull, oh my god, the long bull, my boy, bro. I missed you, bro. Where you been, gang? See you next week. Take care. All right, Yassine. Have a good one, bro. How do you set your SL on TradingView? You go here to the price you want, right click, and then sell stop. You still get F with taxes if you're an option trader living in Puerto Rico? No, you do not. I gave the call out so you know it'll bank. Let me open these feedbacks. Yeah, Subby, open up the feedbacks, gang. Need to see them. I got 53K on my funded. Do I need to get? No, Robbie. You can request a payout, but you're creating your drawdown because your drawdown. Remember, your drawdown is at 50K. So you want to get like if you're requesting a 2K payout, for example, you probably want to get to like 55 and leave yourself $3,000 of drawdown. Or you get to 54, request 2K and leave yourself 2K of drawdown. But once you like create a good drawdown, you're good. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. You ever thought launching about? Ever thought about launching a meme coin and rugging it and making crazy money, bro? Crazy work. Yo, long bull, bro. Super nice to see you streaming, brother. Yo, super nice to see you in the stream, brother. How about that? Have work tomorrow. We'll be in the lookout for the premium Discord in the morning. Salam, bro. Yo, welcome, salam, man. Have a great rest of your night. Have you made the buffer yet on TPT? It is at 51,870. Both these accounts 51,870. So I am what's that? 130 bucks away. 130 bucks away from the buffer. I made over 1K on a consistency on a single trade though. Doesn't that fuck consistency? It depends how much you make for the remainder of the days. So if it fucks your consistency by a little bit, you just need to make a little bit more money, and then you're chilling. But TP for going long. TP for going long is going to be previous day high. I like previous day high. Does MFFU require you to clear a buffer before you can withdraw? I'm not sure how MFFU works, to be very honest with you. I have like rarely traded I think I've traded MFFU one time. After passing a 50k TBT account, do you recommend getting 4 150k accounts since you can only have 5 total? I think you can still make it work with 50k. Just make sure you use code key, whatever you decide to do. But I use 50ks on TBT. Being on Asia definitely teaches you patience. Yeah, it does for sure, 100%. Still looking at gold. Nah, but gold hit my TP and it's fucking gone. Been averaging $500 to $700 all the other. Yeah, you should be fine. You should be all right. You should be good. Is it possible to copy trade Apex funded on TradingView? I've been trading FX. So you cannot execute the trades on TradingView. Same thing here. Like even with my TPT accounts, right? I have 2 of these. You cannot, if you want to copy trade, you cannot execute it on TradingView. You have to execute it on Tradeovate. So you place the trade on Tradeovate, and then you can see it pop up here on TradingView. And somebody can correct me if I'm wrong, but the only other thing you could do is you can what the fuck was I saying? Hold on, I actually just like went blank for a second. What was I talking about now? Oh, the only other thing you could do is something like TradeSyncer. I don't know if TradeSyncer, maybe somebody here can confirm, but TradeSyncer, I think if you have TradeSyncer enabled, I think you can execute the trades on TradingView and it copy trades to the rest, I think. Group feature on Tradeovate. Yeah, I use the group trader on Tradeovate. Yeah, bro, I actually just like glitched IRL. That's correct. Okay, there you go. So you can use something like TradeSyncer, execute on TradingView, and it'll still copy trade. So those are your 2 options. Obviously, TradeSyncer is not free. So TradeSyncer bugged as fuck. Bro, I used it, so I stopped using it. I told you guys yesterday how I started using it, right? You know what happened to me? I took a trade instead of taking the the trade followed across all accounts, across multiple firms, and on one of my 22 accounts that I have, so one of the 22 accounts, it took 2 minis instead of 1 for every single trade I took for no reason at all. Literally no reason at all, bro. It made 0 sense to me. I don't know why I did that. So it was super annoying. And it wasn't even the lead account. It was one of the follow accounts. So I was just kind of annoyed and pissed that it was doing that. So I disabled it for now. On MFV funded and eval, I have 10-minute delay on GC. Thank you, yes. On MFFU, you have to activate GC or gold from the dashboard. Bro, my first. Yo, LOL, you're banned. You're banned, buddy. You're banned. Have fun. Enjoy the ban. So if I pass the eval and make another 5k, I should just pay out. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You will never go live on AM session. I go live in AM session every day. I'm just not for this week. Next week I'm gonna be live AM and PM both, or not PM. Sorry, AM and Asia both. We're still gonna have PO3 for 24,000. Maybe, bro. Like this has done nothing the last 45 minutes. Hold on, let me call Subby, bro. What happened to Subby? Is Subby good? Do you think PM session is okay to trade? Only if the AM session's mid. I rarely trade PM session. You guys know me. Yo, did you find them?
Yeah, I got him.
All right, bet.
Live unboxing.
Live unboxing? Yo, okay, bet. Live unboxing. Let's see it.
Shut up.
Half didn't TP and it went completely. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm telling you. TradeSyncer, I don't know. Kind of mid right now. Once they fix their bugs, it'll be good. Fire, bro. Yeah, that's actually a good spot to take some photos of it on the grass. Yeah, take some photos and like a bunch of pictures, and then also take Take like videos with the flash on. I need videos with the flash on.
The TikTok video type shit?
Yeah, not like a B-roll, but like just like go over the entire thing, just go like up and down both of them with the flash on. Yeah, basically, yes, exactly. And then move them back a little bit so all you see in the background is just the grass part. Like, okay, bet.
I'm about to say how to put these shits on. They just snap on?
They literally just snap on, bro. I'm pretty sure. You can YouTube it, but I'm 99.9% sure they just snap on.
Oh, where did this nigga put the fucking F80 keys?
They were. Oh, dude, did he take them with him? They were on the shelf. Let me call him. This guy's such an idiot. No, I think he took him. Let me call him. 1 second. How do you unlock gold on MFF? I don't trade MFF, so I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's through the dashboard. You sure you don't accidentally put that one? No, I didn't, bro. I checked it. I literally deactivated the entire thing. I checked it. Nothing. Been mostly the 4-hour PO3 or other models too. 4-hour PO3, bruv. 4-hour PO3. Only one. It's better to make 5K on your first 8 days on Apex and then take out 2K and just make 400, 800. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Or you can size heavy, get past the buffer, and then just kind of like try to make up the consistency rule, basically. Some people do that as well. It depends on the entry model, Akash. Different with each entry model. 4-hour PO3 itself is not an entry model. It's just a way of life. Is it edging the buy again? Yeah, it is. If it edges this one, I'm not taking it. See what it does. See. Yo, I'm gonna try unlocking it from my app, alright? I'm sending it right now. Let me know when it works, if it works. No. He took it home. Boom. WBMW app just unlocked my fucking car from 2 hours away. GG's. Alright, chilling. No. They snap on, bro. Look at the YouTube videos. They snap on. Alright, bet. Do you just place limit order plus SL on TradeAway? Yes. On TradeAway, you don't have to left click. You could, left click. Sorry. Yeah, left click. You can send it through on TradeAway. That's what I do. Thanks. Be joining your Discord soon. See you there. I'll see you in there, Akash. I'll see you in there. Rate setups. This right here, this first buy limit, A. Definitely an A. Down here, this is a B. Definitely a B. This is an A because we have already like somewhat gotten a reversal here. I would have liked the entry, obviously, like down here somewhere, but there was nothing here, bro. There's literally nothing. So that's why this is now going to be an A setup as a continuation entry into the previous day high. When does 24,000 become invalid, or when do you remove it? I will remove it if we break this high here. This high, this internal high on the 15-minute, if that breaks, I will remove 24,000 and I will look for a different level. How much do you make trading in a month if it's allowed to ask? In a month, give or take around $30,000 to $40,000. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. So this year I made significantly more than that because there was months where I made $70,000 in one trade. I had a $68,000 trade earlier this year in March on my live account. So it really just depends, bro. It's like up and down, but a good average would be about 30 to 40K a month. And on Apex, that's one payout. Is trading your full-time job? Yes, it's been my full-time job for a good amount of time. 5 years. 5 years I've been full-time. X doesn't let you set entry with SL and TP and just leave it. It does. It does. You just can't send a bracket, but it does let you do that. Do you recommend TopStep? TopStep's good. It's pretty good. Check text. Shit. All right, looks like we might get the fill here at 24K. We just hit the 15-minute gap. Boom, filled 24K. 5-point stop here on this one, guys. Geysers. Let me turn my freaking executions on so people aren't like, oh, are you in a trade? Are you in a trade? How many years have you served in the Army? Thanks for your service. Also 5 years in the Army. Actually, 6 years in the Army. With Apex PA 25K and 50K, what's my lowest balance on them I can hit? I don't know about 25K, but 50K, the lowest you can hit is, I believe, 48.5 or 48. Either 48. I think it's 48, right? Yeah, 48. Pretty sure. Keyflow start. Damn, streaming AM. Why haven't you been streaming AM, doggy? I can't stream AM for... I told you guys I couldn't stream AM today, and I will not be streaming AM tomorrow either because I have military stuff to take care of in the mornings. So, all of next week I'll be live in the AM, obviously. Haven't gotten filled yet? Really? Filled me? I mean, it might come back down and get you guys your fill, maybe. It didn't fill? No shot. It didn't fill anybody but me? What? Okay. Okay. Yeah, perfect fill so far. Kind of weird how some of you guys did not get filled. Yo, for you guys who didn't get filled, are you guys on MNQ or are you guys on NQ? Which one are you guys on? MNQ? NQ? Damn, so NQ, some of you guys didn't get filled. MNQ I can understand, but Alpha Tix didn't fill either, but my trade of 8 filled me? Weird. How many people got filled on this trade? Type 1 in the chat if you got filled on this trade. Type 1 in the chat if you got filled. Okay, good amount of guys got filled here too. All right, good amount of people got filled. Okay, so it must be some sort of error with like a different platform, with like TopStep X platform or maybe the AlphaTix platform, whatever. I don't know. No idea. It might still come down. Like it hasn't like fully bounced here yet. It might still come down and give the entry. We'll see. This isn't obviously like fully bullish until it goes and breaks the highs. You know what I'm saying? So it could absolutely come back down into my break even. Yo, stop spamming the same thing, you dumbass. I'm not even Indian, bro. You guys are fucking weird. You guys who like spam the same shit thinking you're so funny, I promise you you're not funny. Like not funny in the slightest bit. It's the TP again. TP is the previous day high, guys. Previous day high. What am I gonna be up at previous day high? Let's 1 minute. Ew, 925. Ew. I need. Nah. I can't do that. 925 is nothing, bro. I need previous month high here. Can't lie. 1375. That's more like it. That's more like it. Previous day high, and then obviously the previous month high. These are the two targets. Two targets. Okay. Previous day, previous month. This current daily high is also another target. Okay. This is also another target. Mm-mm-mm. Are you adding? What do you mean am I adding? I'm in the trade, man. What does that mean am I adding? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? So basically all-time highs. I'm expecting all-time highs right now, yes. This is correct. At the very least, I'm expecting the previous day high. Like bare minimum, I'm expecting that because of the like these highs are just entirely too smooth. These relative equal highs up here. I like these a lot. I also like the daily PO3. So I'm personally favoring a move to the upside. If I'm wrong, I lose 5 points. Cool. But that's my point. That's my bias here right now. How do I add sell limit? It only allows me to put buy limit on alpha and top step. You right click and you can do the sell limit as well. How do you manage intraday trailing? I've blown up 20 TPT Pro because of that and never made it above the buffer. I gave 3 ways earlier. Either you size heavy, and you TP, or you're gonna trail aggressively. Kind of like the only reason why. Literally the only way. I can't trade mini with Apex 50k plan. Yes, you can. You can trade 10 minis with Apex 50k plan. How you set TP? Right click and boom, like that. Set limit. Yeah, super slow, man. Super slow. Make sure you guys join the free Discord. If you guys want to obviously stay on top of this trade, I'm going to be sending updates in there. So make sure you join the free Discord, and I will be dropping all that in there. Oh, you filled run chart champs? Probably not tonight, man. What do you think? Price has been rough this week. We have 8:30 a.m. news, like literally almost every day this week. Like high impact as well. That's why. How do we access free Discord? Exclamation mark Discord is the command. Exclamation mark Discord. I also don't understand the link. What do you mean you don't understand the link? Like what? Click it. You don't have to download anything. You literally just click the link and you join the Discord. Pretty simple. How old are you? I am 24. This week reaction is concerning. Worth chasing if you didn't get filled since it's so slow. I mean, I wouldn't. It's only 2 points. I wouldn't, bro. I don't like chase or round trip my trades or anything like that. I don't do shit like that, bro. If I get filled, I get filled. Cool. If I don't, I don't. Cool. Also cool. All right, I am probably gonna go ahead and hop off here, guys. We got filled. It's almost midnight. I'm gonna keep both these limits up. Again, make sure you guys are in the free Discord. I will update you guys on these trades in there. Okay. But that's it. I would be targeting previous day high here. No other trades for me at all. Remainder of today. And that's it. Like previous day high and then previous month high. like bare minimum, if you like low hanging fruit here would be this daily high, right? Like this daily high for sure is getting hit at some point. This daily high is going to get hit. And then previous day and previous month is my targets. So we'll see. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you guys on, well, I can't see you tomorrow because no Asia tomorrow, but I will see you guys on Monday. Monday, New York AM, I'll be here. Peace out, everyone. Goodbye.